Hi guys, meet Nexus, a tiny IoT desktop powered by the ESP32-C3. It automatically syncs the current data from NTV server over Wi-Fi and display it on a crisp OLED screen. I started by designing the enclosure in Autodesk Fusion 360. After finalizing the CAD model, I printed it using black color PLA filament. To build this project, I'm using Waveshare 0.96 inches OLED display and Waveshare ESP32-C3 microcontroller. Now, follow the provided connection to connect the microcontroller with the display using SPI communication. Now let's upload the code. Simply install all the required libraries from the library manager. After that, enter your Wi-Fi credential like the SSID and the password of your router. And then change the NTP setting only if it doesn't belong from India. After these changes, select the right board and write COM port and hit on upload. After few seconds, it will upload the code directly to the microcontroller.